Good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're all doing well today. In today's video I thought we would kind of tidy the house a little bit and not transform, but I need to tidy my understairs cupboard and utility room because it is an absolute pigsty in there. And I bought these shelves which you would have seen in my previous B&M haul video, and I still haven't put them up in there. It's a complete mess. I will go and show you what it looks like before, so that needs to be tidied up the first sort of point of call of the day. I've been putting off filming it because I thought I had to put makeup on and get dressed, but actually I feel like my vlogs are quite raw in the fact that I will just stay in my pyjamas. So I thought, what the hell, let's just stay in my dressing gown while I sort it out, because that is me, that is real life. I wouldn't get dressed to sort things out, I would stay in my PJs. So that's what we're gonna do. And I feel like then if I just clean and sort everything out while I'm still in my pyjamas, I can then like have a bath or shower and get dressed, and then I don't get my clothes dirty. But obviously my pyjamas will go in the wash. I don't know if anyone else has that mentality, but yeah, that's pretty much what we are doing. I've got my tripod here just in case we need to pop that on, and yeah, let me show you the before picture. The whole house is messy this morning, to be honest. It's a Sunday, so what do you expect? It's like the day of cleaning, and I normally do it on a Saturday or Sunday, but yesterday I had my dermatology appointment, so that was kind of like the day written off really. But yeah, as you can see, I'm still doing my puzzle. It's the friggin' hardest puzzle I've ever done. The edge just doesn't match up, so I've obviously done the edge incorrectly. So I thought I'd just do the middle and then go with the flow with the edge. But yeah, we didn't tidy up after our tea last night, so I've got to do all of this and empty the dishwasher. I'm not going to ask Matt to do any of it because he has an exam on Wednesday, so he really needs to just revise for that. But this is the current state of our utility room. As you can see, it's all on here, all down below. Got our stuff ready for our cat. This is the shelves. This all needs to go and get ready for when we get the cat. Even though it's a month away, I just want to get it tidied today. And this is the inside of the cupboard, which obviously needs tidying as well. So the battery button is flashing, so without further ado I'm going to go and get a new battery, and let's just get into sorting this blooming room out. Guys, it's literally 12:30 and I've been sorting stuff out all day. I swear it doesn't even look that good yet, or it doesn't even look much better, but this is the current state of the utility. So my wall lights still haven't been put up, but hopefully they will soon. Those are to go on my garage, and then I'm going to put Matt's toolbox in the garage and all of these things in the garage away. But obviously this is looking a lot clearer. I'm going to put the birdseed out as well, and then in here is looking fabulous. Obviously there's so much stuff in here, it does still look quite crowded, but I'm actually super pleased with everything because it's so organised. But yeah, we've just got all of our coats and stuff in here, but I might move some of them upstairs as we don't wear all of them all of the time. And then yeah, there's just bits around here as well, and then I need to empty the recycling that's to go upstairs and away. But yeah, we are getting there, thank God. the after. So I've got some bits at the top here, which just look nice, and then you've got the microwave, and the worktops is clear. There's no more cereal boxes on there. And then this is all clear under here, ready for our lovely little cat. We're gonna pop the litter tray and things under there. And then literally all clear, and then we've got the cupboard where we've got some coats hanging on the door, and then we have got some things hanging on the walls as well. But yeah, this trolley thing's so handy. I've got all of the cereal boxes, cat food, cat litter, cat food again, all of the bags in bags, and then all of our shoes. So I'm really chuffed. Obviously it still looks busy in there, but it's an organised busy, so really chuffed with that. But the only thing that's kind of annoying is the rest of the house is still an absolute tip. So I'm not gonna do like a thorough clean. I'm just gonna literally tidy everywhere, like whiz around with the hoover and just like clean, like wipe clean the toilets and the sinks, rather than like properly giving them a scrub this week, because that has taken me like 2.5 hours to do. So I'm super tired. But yeah, I'll catch in with you in a little bit, as I'm going to be making a roast, so I'm not going to show you any more cleaning or tidying things. But yeah, that's pretty much it for that part of the vlog, but I will see you when I'm cooking and a little bit later. It's a lot later in the day now, and it's about 9 o'clock. Me and Matt have just been revising for his exam on Wednesday, and yeah, that was really good. I'm super proud of him. But we are now going to go for a walk in the snow, because it's untouched, and you never get to go out in the snow when it's untouched, do you? Because you always wake up and everyone's driven over it and stuff. But yeah, it's pretty much covered all the grass. I don't know how well you can see that on the camera, but yeah, look. So we're just gonna go out for a quick walk around the block.
What about now?
Silly. So we've literally just experienced someone go round the whole roundabout, but he skidded as he came round it, and just before then we were commenting, because you can see the tyre tracks, how someone else skidded round it. We were like, how did that happen? And then we saw it. So I don't know if you can see his tyre tracks. He skidded, rather than going all the way around, he skidded onto the path here, and you can see the 2 tyre tracks from the previous people, and that's that new car. But he literally just reversed and then decided to go all the way around the roundabout and back up where he came from, didn't he? Yeah, and he still skidded.
Great comedic value. Right, let's go.
Oh, that was funny. We had to like put our faces into our coats like this so he couldn't see us laughing. God, it's so blustery.
He must feel so embarrassed as well, because he's literally gone back the way he's came from as well.
Yeah. Oh God, I don't know if you could see like a minute ago in the montage, like the snow kind of, what is it where it like blows off the top of the snow? Like, you know, like how sand blows? That's
like
what it, yeah, that's kind of what it looks like, wasn't it? With the wind and the bluster. But yeah, I'm gonna put the camera away before it breaks.
You're on the camera.
Yay. Oh, open the door. You got the key? Give it to you. Stop pretending you haven't got it. I know you have.
No, it's fallen out of my pocket.
No, it hasn't.
It has.
It hasn't.
It has.
It hasn't.
It has.
It hasn't.
It's not in my pocket.
What's in the other pocket then?
It's not.
What's in the other pocket?
It's not.
It hasn't fallen out.
It has.
You're joking. That wasn't funny.
Wasn't it?
No.
Imagine I have to traipse around the neighbourhood. My keys on the floor.
Is the gate closed properly?
Yeah. I thought it was.
Yeah, it is.
So much you clean the house.
Yeah, I know, my nice clean. God, look at this snow on the step.
Right.
Oh, it's only a bit of snow, isn't it?
It's water, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that was quite nice. But yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and enjoyed seeing my transformation of my downstairs toilet and understairs cupboard and utility room. And I hope you enjoyed that little fun montage of us going out in the snow. And please don't forget to subscribe and become part of the family if you did enjoy today's video. And I will see you all in the next one. I upload Sundays and Wednesdays. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.